Hey, so I just ordered a set of seat cover for the Tesla Model 3 from Tatus. I'm not sure how to say it right, but this is what it looks like on their website. I have no idea how it looks in real life, but from the one of the videos on YouTube, it looks pretty good. So I'm taking a chance and this is what they shipped to me. So I'm gonna open it. It's gonna be my first time seeing the seat cover, so I have no idea how good it's gonna look or what kind of quality it's gonna be. Hopefully, it will look as good as the one from T Spotlight, which costs a lot more. Now this whole set is only $400 and they ship it from Hong Kong, so it's gonna take about 2 weeks from the day you order until you receive the package. So I just got it today and I'm pretty excited to see what it's gonna look like in my car. So from the way it's packaged, it looks like they put everything in a suitcase, which is very professional, in my opinion. So let's see how it's gonna look. So this is the suitcase that they ship the seat cover with. It looks pretty good with the name of the. I'm guessing the name of the manufacturer. And here it is, the red leather. Actually, it's vinyl, but I prefer vinyl because it tends to last longer than actual leather. But yes, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's better than I thought it would be. Um, it's not some cheap sheepskin cover seat that you find at Pep Boys or Walmart or anything. And this is the font cover, I'm guessing. From the look of the cover, it's very it's done very professionally. I mean, all the details. They even have like a thin cushion in the back, and which makes everything better looking, in my opinion. Now, it doesn't come with any instruction to install or anything, but I've seen a video that showed the installation for a Model S. So I think it's gonna be similar. Plus, it's only a seat cover. I mean, how hard can it be? Uh, I think I can figure it out when I got time to install it sometime this week. I think it's gonna look fabulous on in. I mean, for the car. So far, the material seems very high quality, um, and I mean, for $400, I mean, this is more than I thought I was gonna get. Uh, you know, to be honest, I was pretty nervous because I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Because they don't. It's a custom order, so every order is customized. So they don't accept return or even exchange. So if it doesn't look good or anything, or if the material is bad quality, then I would be pretty much stuck with it. So I was kind of like risking $400, but it turned out well. I mean, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. Subscribe to my channel for my installation video.